At TestOut.com, you want to first click Sign Up to create a new account. This is for first-time users. Type in this prospective information. Next, you need to type in your answers to the security questions and then click Secure Account. If you're not associated with a school, then you would need to choose to enroll. Go ahead and choose the 4 letters of the last name and click the search button. We're going to choose Select. All right. And we're going to choose that we're going to enroll at this location. Go ahead and choose Enroll. Are you sure you want to enroll in the following class? Go ahead and choose Yes. And now you are now enrolled and ready to start your class. Now that you created your TestOut account, we're ready to log in. Go to TestOut.com. Choose Login. At the username, you want to choose your username that you created and type in your password. Remember, it is case sensitive. Choose Secure Login. You can scroll down and you can choose the application that you will be working in. Once you're ready to log out, go to your menu screen, arrow down, and choose Log Out.